Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students. Welcome to English class 4-7. How are you today? I hope all of you in good condition. Okay, before we start students, let's pray together. Start. Amin. Finish. Chapter 6. We love what we do. We will learn to ask for and give information related to actions or functions of people, animals, and things in order to identify, to criticize, or to praise them. Okay, I will read the conversation in an English class between teacher and some students. Listen to me. Miss Mutia, good morning. Students, good morning, Miss Mutia. Miss Mutia, today we are going to learn about job and profession. Benny, what does your father do? Benny, my father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice. Miss Mutia, that is great. What about you, Dayu? What does your father do? Dayu, he is a teacher. He teaches mathematics in junior high school. Miss Mutia, that is wonderful. Lisa, what about your mother? What does she do? Lisa, she is a housewife. She takes a good care of us and our house. Miss Mutia, that is excellent. What does your mother do, Udin? Udin, she is a surgeon. She performs operation on her patients. Miss Mutia, that is excellent. How about you, Edu? What do you do? Edu, I'm a student. Miss Mutia, that is good. Now, do you want to know what your other friends' parents do? Students, yes, we do. Okay, that is a conversation among Miss Mutia, a teacher, English teacher, and some students, Benny, Dayu, Lisa, Udin, and Edu. Okay, then in this conversation, if we want to ask a profession, we can use what does your father do? For example, Miss Mutia asked to Benny, Benny, what does your father do? Benny menjawab, my father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice. Begitu juga dengan yang lain yang dilakukan Miss Mutia kepada Dayu, Lisa. Jadi, once again, if you want to ask to someone, your friend, about their profession, you can use what does your friend, what does you do, what does she do, and so on. Okay, do you understand? I hope all of you understand. Next, we will analyze the conversation between teachers and some students. This to know what is question and what is answer. That's Benny says. I repeat, we analyze the conversation to know what is question and answer Benny says. Okay, sorry. For example, number 1, Benny bisa dilihat di sini tadi menanyakan pekerjaan or profession. We can use what does your father do? Kemudian Benny menjawab, my father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice. Oke, jadi di kolom question we can write, Benny, what does your father do? Kemudian jawabannya dari Benny adalah He plants and grows rice. Ya, jadi ditanyakannya tentang pekerjaannya. Dia pekerjaannya apa? He plants and grows rice. Jadi dia apa? Seorang farmer. Okay? Can you do like number 1? I hope all of you can. Please. Okay, next. Now we will say the habits of the people. There is conversation in the classroom between Siti and Benny. I will read for you. Please listen. Good morning, Benny. Good morning, Siti. How are you today? I'm doing well. I'm doing very well. You arrive very early. Do you arrive early every day? Yes, I do. I always come to school early. I always leave home at 6. I don't want to be late. Benny, why do you clean the classroom by yourself? Dayu is not here. She is late. Don't worry, I help you clean the classroom. Thank you, Siti. You always help other people. You are welcome, Benny. Ya. Jadi ini menanyakan kebiasaan. Kebiasaannya mana? Ini contohnya, Siti. Siti ditanyakan, do you arrive early every day? Yes, I do. I always come to school early. Jadi kebiasaannya Siti itu kalau sekolah datangnya lebih awal. Ya. I always leave home at 6. I don't want to be late. Ya, jadi kebiasaannya itu. Nah, ada lagi kebiasaannya Benny ini mengerjakan piket sekolah, membersihkan. Dia datang lebih awal juga karena mau piket. Dan karena Dayu terlambat, Siti membantu Benny. Siti juga baik karena dia mau menolong temannya, mau membersihkan kelas. Okay? And we will analyze this conversation. For number 1, kita cari dari conversation ini apa kebiasaan yang baik dari Benny, Siti, and Benny. We can answer. I always arrive at school early. Nah, ini kebiasaannya siapa? Siti. Jadi nomor 1, I always arrive at school early. And number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please you open your English book when English rings bell. Ya, unit 6. Ya, silakan dibuka. Di situ nanti ada percakapan. Ya, yang kamu harus menganalisis apa kebiasaan anak-anak, yaitu temannya Siti, temannya Benny, ya, yaitu Lina, Edu, dan sebagainya. Oke, do you understand? I hope all of you understand. Next, we will write the activity of the animals. Oke, jadi ini ada beberapa orang menilai, maksudnya menilai tentang, mengatakan, memberikan informasi tentang beberapa binatang, animal. Misalnya ini Benny say, this is a snake. It is wild animal. It bites. Ya, udah tahu ya artinya. Ini adalah ular. Ini binatang buas dan bisa menggigit. Nah, gitu. Menggambarkan singkat gitu. Kemudian ini Lina mengatakan, this is a butterfly. The color is pretty. It flies. Ya, ini seekor kupu-kupu. Dia warna-warni. Ya. Kemudian dia bisa terbang. Kemudian ini Edo mengatakan, this is my cat. She has black fur. She sleeps. Ya, ini adalah kucingku. Mempunyai bulu berwarna hitam. Dia sedang tidur. Okay? Do you understand? And your task is the third. Please fill the table about the animals activity. For example, number one, there is birds. What is birds do? We can say bird fly. Burung itu terbang. What is snakes? what is duck, what is cockroach, what is cockroach, what is turtles, cats, horses, tigers, and so on. Please do by yourself, by see on your pocket book when English ring bell. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Okay, I think what is time enough. Thank you for your attention, students. And remember mother's words. What is mother's words? Use masker, keep distance with others, wash your hand with soap, and please make yourself healthy so you are to be happy. I think for this time enough. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.